Hello friends, now we'll solve 2019 case study. We are given 10 transactions. You have to write serial number, date, particulars, debit, credit, group and voucher. Okay. First transaction. On 1/8/2018, Mr. Ramakrishna started business with capital of rupees 15 lakh. So here cash account is debit, Ramakrishna capital account is credit, cash account comes under cash in hand, Ramakrishna capital account comes under capital account, and the voucher is received. First create the ledger, Ramakrishna capital account, go to accounts info, ledgers, create. Ramakrishna capital account comes under capital account. Then cash account already created by default. Then go to accounting vouchers for journal entry. Then the voucher is receipt, select receipt. Then credit is Ramakrishna capital account, amount is 15 lakh. Debit is cash account. Next, second transaction, he purchased ready building for rupees 9 lakh. So purchase building account, debit, cash account credit, debit amount is 9 lakh, credit amount is 9 lakh, building account comes under fixed assets, cash account comes under cash in hand, and the voucher is payment. He paid the full amount, so the voucher is payment. So you have to create building account ledger, building account comes under fixed assets, go to accounting vouchers, then the voucher is payment, debit is building account, amount is 9 lakh, credit is cash account, next third one, deposited into bank rupees 11 lakh. So here bank account is debit, cash account is credit. Bank account comes under bank account, cash account comes under cash in hand, and the voucher is contra, because the transaction contains the transaction between bank and cash. So go to accounts info, create ledger, bank account, click create, bank account comes under bank account, just go on, press enter, accept yes. Then go to accounting vouchers, voucher is contra, credit is cash account, amount is 11 lakh, debit is bank account. Fourth transaction, loan given to Mr. Kiran Singh 50,000. So Kiran Singh debit 50,000, credit is cash account. Kiran Singh comes under loans and advance, cash account comes under cash in hand. The voucher is payment. Create the ledger, Kiran Singh account, go to accounts info, ledger, click create. loans and advance. Financing account comes under loans and advance. Go to accounting vouchers. The voucher is payment. Debit is financing account. Amount is 50,000. Credit is cash account. Next, fifth transaction. Purchase goods for rupees 45,000 from Mr. Krishna. So debit is purchase account, credit is Krishna account. Purchase account amount is 45,000. Purchase account comes under purchase account, Krishna account's secondary creditor, and the voucher is purchase. Go to account info, create ledgers, purchase account and Krishna account. Purchase accounts comes under purchase account. Then Krishna account comes under secondary creditor. Go to in accounting vouchers. The voucher is purchase. Select as voucher. Here credit is Krishna account. Amount is 45,000. Purchase account. Next, sixth one. Fair vehicle rent rupees 4,000. So vehicle rent account is 4,000, comes under indirect expenses. Cash account comes under cash in hand. The voucher is payment. So vehicle rent account you have to create. Indirect expenses. Click on payment. Debit is vehicle rent account. Amount is 4,000. Credit cash account. Next, seventh one, depreciation of building at 10%. So depreciation account is debit, building account is credit. So he purchased a ready building of 9 lakh rupees. 10% of 9 lakh means 90,000. Okay, so amount is 90,000. So building depreciation account comes under indirect expenses. Building account comes under fixed assets. The voucher is journal. Create the ledger depreciation account. Comes under indirect expenses. Go to accounting vouchers. The voucher is journal. Debit is amount is 90,000. 10% of 9 lakh means 90,000. Credit is billing account. Next, eighth transaction, sold goods for rupees 1 lakh and received check. So bank received check means indirectly transferred to bank account. So bank account debit 1 lakh rupees, sales account is credit. Bank account comes under bank account, sales account comes under sales account. The voucher is sales. Create the ledger sales account. Sales account comes under sales account. Accounting vouchers. The voucher is sales. Click as voucher. Debit is bank account. Amount 1 lakh rupees. Credit is sales account. Next, ninth one. Purchased goods from Money Raju of rupees 50,000. So purchase account is debit, credit is Money Raju account. Amount is 50,000. Purchase account comes under purchase account. Money Raju account is century creditor, and the voucher is purchase. Create the ledger Money Raju account. Century creditor. Accounting vouchers. Voucher is purchase. Click as voucher. Money Raju account is creditor. Amount is 50,000. Debit is purchase account. Last transaction, puja expenses of rupees 1000. So puja expense account is debit, cash is credit account. Amount is 1000. Puja expenses comes under indirect expenses. Cash account comes under cash in hand. The voucher is payment. Accounts info, ledgers, create puja expenses account, indirect expenses, go to accounting vouchers. Voucher is payment, debit is puja expenses, amount is 1000, and credit is cash account. Okay, so this completes all the 10 transactions. Okay, after completion you can see the balance sheet. Okay, so here this is the balance sheet. You can click display also. You can display in detail also. Okay, then profit and loss account. So gross profit is 5,000 here. Stock summary, no stocks here. Ratio analysis, These are the principal groups, these are the principal ratios. Then in display you can see the trial balance. Okay, debit and credit. Particulars, total amount is 22 lakhs 50,000. Can click detailed also. Then day book, you can see all the transactions. If you want to change any amount, you can change. Example, okay, assume puja expenses is assume 2000. Okay, you can make it 2000. Can alter in day book, you can alter. Then we can see cash flow and funds flow. So the cash flow, inflow, this is outflow. This is inflow, this one is outflow. You can see fund flow also. Okay, thank you.